Who are you here with?
Jack Morrison.
Is he your father?
I told you my name's Cashman.
You're very attractive, and I'm desperately trying to be witty.
You're failing.
The party's over.
But it's been a ball.
Really?
Yes, really.
Is Jack taking you home?
After dinner.
Oh, you have dinner plans.
I think so.
Cancel them.
I couldn't do that.
Tell Jack you're not feeling well.
I'm feeling fine.
Lie.
Do you really want me to?
Sure.
No. Do you have a pencil?
Where's that?
West Hollywood.
I hope your building has an elevator.
Why?
Too many steps aren't good for old Jack at his age.